The Sensex has opened in the red today, down by 254.67 points or 0.32% and is currently trading at 79,451.24. Market analysts attribute this decline to a mix of global economic uncertainties and fluctuations in the domestic market. Investors are closely monitoring economic indicators and corporate earnings reports, which may influence market sentiment in the near future. Although the market has started on a negative note, experts predict potential volatility as it reacts to both domestic and international news. Traders and investors should stay informed and carefully consider market trends. As the trading day continues, it will be important to watch how the Sensex adapts to ongoing market developments and economic data releases. Across the nation, doctors and medical students are holding a widespread strike in response to the tragic death at Kolkata's RG Kar Medical College and Hospital. The medical community is coming together in a powerful display of solidarity, demanding justice and highlighting the critical need for safety within their profession. As hospitals brace for the impact of this protest, the call for accountability grows louder, with healthcare workers standing united in their pursuit of justice. Veteran politician Natwar Singh has passed away at Medanta Hospital in Gurugram. Singh, a prominent figure in Indian politics, was known for his significant contributions and distinguished service. His passing marks the end of an era for many who admired his work and leadership. Details regarding his health and the circumstances of his passing are being awaited. Tributes and condolences are pouring in from across the political spectrum and beyond, as people remember his legacy and impact on the nation. Spiritual leader Devkinandan Thakur has strongly condemned the heinous crimes committed against Hindus and Sanatanis in Bangladesh. Devkinandan Thakur stated, "We firmly denounce the atrocities against Hindus and Sanatanis in Bangladesh. We will organize a protest to stand in solidarity with the Sanatanis. We must ensure the protection of Sanatanis, no matter where they are." Through this statement, Devkinandan Thakur is calling for attention to this critical issue and urging for the safety and protection of the Sanatanis.
हिंदुओं को सनातनियों को मारकर जैसा जघन्य अपराध किया गया है, हम उसके विरोध में और सनातनियों के साथ में खड़े होने के लिए हम ये विरोध दर्ज कराते हैं और पूरे विश्व को कहते हैं कि मानवता को बचाने के लिए, सनातनी परंपरा को जिंदा रखने के लिए हम सबको बोलना पड़ेगा और सनातनियों की रक्षा हम सबको करनी होगी, चाहे वो विश्व के किसी भी कोने में क्यों न रहते हों वो सनातनी। उन सब की बहुत जरूरत हम सब के लिए है, क्योंकि सनातन हमेशा जीने का राह दिखाता है, मारने का और मिटाने का नहीं दिखाता है।
Flood waters from the Ganga have overflowed onto the roads in Patna, causing significant disruption. Visuals from Kangan Ghat and Mahavir Ghat show the river spilling over its banks, inundating the streets and affecting daily life. The overflow has led to waterlogging in various areas, creating challenges for commuters and residents. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation and taking necessary measures to manage the impact of the rising water levels. Residents are advised to stay alert and follow safety guidelines as the situation develops. Under the Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign, the Anantnag police organized a vibrant Tiranga bike yatra in Anantnag. The event saw enthusiastic participation as bikers adorned their rides with the national flag and traveled through the streets, showcasing their patriotism and pride for the nation. This bike yatra not only celebrated the spirit of unity and national pride but also engaged the local community in a meaningful way. The Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign aims to foster a deeper connection with our heritage and strengthen our sense of national identity. The Tiranga Bike Yatra in Anantnag is a testament to the collective spirit and dedication of the community towards celebrating and honoring our country. Tamil Nadu Congress sports wing cadre are making their voices heard, demanding justice for wrestler Vinesh Fogart. Protesters have taken to the streets, voicing their concerns over Vinesh Fogart's disqualification at the Paris Olympics. They are calling for a fair review of the decision and seeking accountability for what they believe was an unfair judgment. With chants and placards, the protesters stand united in their support for Vinesh Fogart, urging for justice and transparency in the Olympic ruling. As Independence Day approaches, Taral and Pulwama has witnessed a remarkable show of patriotism. A large number of people have come together to participate in the Tiranga Rally, a key event in the Har Ghar Tiranga initiative. The streets were alive with the vibrant colors of the national flag as locals, young and old, proudly waved their Tiranga. This rally, part of a nationwide celebration, highlights the spirit of unity and national pride as citizens prepare to mark India's Independence Day. The Tiranga Rally in Taral is not just a celebration, but a powerful reminder of our shared heritage and the collective pride we hold in our nation. As the rally progressed, the air was filled with a sense of camaraderie and patriotism, reflecting the true essence of our freedom and unity. As the nation prepares to celebrate Independence Day, the Indian Army remains on high alert in the Sunderbani sector. The brave soldiers are vigilantly monitoring every movement, ensuring that our borders remain secure and that peace is maintained. With increased surveillance and readiness, the Indian Army is leaving no stone unturned to safeguard the nation during this critical time. As we approach this important day, let us salute the dedication and courage of our soldiers who stand watch, day and night, for the safety of our country.